How to use MyCase secure document sharing properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. MyCase offers secure document sharing for law firms, but many beginners make mistakes that can compromise security or efficiency. The first mistake is sending sensitive documents outside the platform. MyCase is encrypted and compliant, but downloading and emailing files defeats its purpose. Always share documents within MyCase to protect client confidentiality. Another common error is poor folder organization. Without proper labeling and structure, important files get lost or misfiled. Use consistent naming conventions and organize by client or case. Many users forget to set permissions correctly. Not all files should be accessible to every participant. Use MyCase's permission settings to control who can view, edit, or download documents. Neglecting version control is another pitfall. When multiple versions of a document exist, confusion can arise. Use MyCase's versioning feature to keep the most recent copy clear and accessible. Finally, some assume clients will remember to check shared documents. Notify clients and confirm receipt, especially for critical deadlines or contracts. To use MyCase secure document sharing properly, keep all sharing within the platform, organize folders clearly, set permissions, maintain version control, and communicate with clients. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll protect sensitive information while streamlining collaboration.